The mounted planters manufactured by John Deere have been designed to meet a variety of agricultural requirements. They are equipped with advanced technology that guarantees accurate seed spacing and positioning. These planters often feature adjustable designs that can be used with a variety of crops, agricultural methods, and field situations. A more seamless planting procedure is made possible by modern features like simple adjustment mechanisms and technological interfaces. They often include adaptable components or adjustments for various kinds of seeds and row spacings. The Grundfos NK bare shaft pumps are intended for use in a variety of industries, including water supply, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. This end-suction NK bare shaft pump has a centrifugal pumping design in which the fluid enters at the center of the shaft and departs along the edge, resulting in excellent efficiency and minimum maintenance. The end suction style indicates that the pump takes in fluid by a single input at one end. Fendt manufactures hay rakes that have been engineered to quickly gather and arrange hay for baling or storage. Their sizes vary to facilitate various tasks, and their functional widths can be adjusted to meet a range of field conditions and sizes. Carefully positioned tines on Fendt hay rakes allow for fast lifting and churning of the hay while ensuring gentle handling for the best possible drying results. These rakes often incorporate features like steering axles or innovative layouts that reduce forage damage while following the boundaries of the field. For maximum productivity and efficiency in large-scale farming operations, AGCO developed the Gleaner S9 series of high-capacity combine harvesters. Equipped with potent engines and effective threshing systems, these machines have earned a reputation for their state-of-the-art innovation and performance. This enables them to manage diverse crop varieties and conditions while preserving quick harvesting rate. In order to maximize crop quality and harvesting efficiency, they frequently include sophisticated automation and precision farming technology, such as yield monitoring, data management systems, and auto steering. At several floors tall and several hundred tons in weight, this enormous Komatsu 1900 XPC is one of Komatsu's biggest electric mining shovels. This electrically driven shovel has a large horsepower, scoring to manage intensive mining activities, and it has become known for its extraordinary power potential. With its large bucket capacity, it can move and load a significant amount of material in a single shovel. It is intended for large-scale mining operations, notably in open-pit mines, where it excavates resources such as coal, ore, and other minerals. The New Holland CR series are combine harvesters that frequently come equipped with high-capacity engines to give the power required for harvesting varying crops. With their twin rotor technique, threshing and separation are improved, leading to minimum grain loss and better grain quality. In order to increase productivity and optimize yields, numerous CR series models feature sophisticated technological integration, including GPS navigation, yield monitoring, and precision farming specifications. In the agricultural industry, the Lexion 6800 is undoubtedly the most dependable and productive combine harvester. They usually contain a powerful engine, usually a 6-cylinder diesel engine, built to give enough power for harvesting activities while preserving fuel consumption. Sensors and software are frequently integrated into the Lexion 6800 to maximize grain quality and minimize harvesting losses. It features the CMOS Automatic Combine Automation System, which allows you to concentrate on harvesting rather than altering. Utilizing the latest APS SynFlow threshing technology, users can achieve up to 25% more output from this machine. The ACE ATC, Automatic Tire Changing, Twin Drum Vibratory Roller is a powerful construction machine developed for compacting different kinds of soil, rocks, concrete, and other materials. The roller is equipped with 2 massive steel drums that compress the surface by applying pressure. The vibratory function allows the drums to vibrate during execution, which improves the compaction process. This contributes to smoother surfaces and increased density. With its innovative technology, the new Volvo SD115B soil compactor is easy to set up, and its engine self-controls to deliver optimal performance and versatility. Creating a stable foundation is its main purpose, which involves compacting earth, gravel, asphalt, and other materials. It features heavy drums, which are typically available in a mix of smooth and padfoot versions. Because of its versatile construction, the drum can be used on a variety of surfaces to meet diverse compaction needs. Caterpillar vibratory soil compactors are heavy-duty machines that compact soil, gravel, and other materials to form a firm, stable base for building projects. These compactors typically consist of a heavy drum or several drums fitted with precisely shaped protrusions or pads. These components put pressure on the ground when the drum vibrates, compressing it as the machine moves forward. Caterpillar manufactures a variety of vibratory soil compactors that have different drum widths, working weight and compaction forces to accommodate varied soil types and demands of projects. The Atlas 400 disc harrow is mostly utilized for seedbed cultivation and soil preparation. It is typically made out of a sturdy frame and many rows of angled steel discs. These discs are the main components in charge of tilling the soil. Depending on the model, it may cover a significant distance during operation, usually around 10 to 20 feet. A lot of models come with adjustable disc angles, so you may tailor it to your soil type and desired cultivation depth. Sany medium excavators are powerful equipment intended to perform a range of excavation and building duties. Their power, efficiency, and versatility are well known. These excavators are outfitted with strong engines, typically diesel ones, that offer sufficient power to effectively manage labor-intensive jobs. Sany excavators use innovative hydraulic systems that provide precise control over digging, lifting, and loading activities. This enables for simpler and precise movements, which contributes to increased productivity. The The Land Pride all-purpose seeders are versatile tools designed for seeding a wide range of crops in a variety of soil conditions. These seeders often include numerous seed boxes, allowing users to sow grasses, cereals, legumes, and cover crops in a single run. Farmers and landscapers that need to seed multiple crops in one operation will find this function extremely helpful. In order to guarantee precise seed distribution and avoid over and under seeding, these tools typically have a reliable seed measuring mechanism. Mid-size wheel loaders from John Deere are designed to do a variety of jobs, including agricultural work, landscaping, and the handling of materials in construction. Massive, powerful engines with between 124 and 268 horsepower are standard on these loaders, giving them plenty of strength for lifting and transporting large objects. Featuring a high lift option offered on all of their mid-size models, these adaptable loaders can help you increase production. These loaders, which are designed with a number of attachments, can handle a variety of activities, such as loading, transporting, and digging. Suitable for a range of industrial applications, Saney's over 35T truck-mounted cranes are built for handling enormous weights, usually more than 35 tons. With its telescopic boom, which offers exceptional reach and lifting capabilities, the design is both extremely secure and adjustable. The boom can be extended to reach higher or more distant spots, thanks to the hydraulic system that facilitates successful lifting and positioning of large loads. This Komatsu log loader is one of the most powerful and versatile machines built exclusively for forestry and logging jobs. The machine is usually equipped with a robust arm and boom that are designed especially for logging duties. This allows it to lift and reach logs of different sizes. It is made to survive the harsh conditions found in forestry sites and has a strong undercarriage. This dynamic machinery is also supplied with a strong grapple attachment designed for swiftly picking up and lifting logs. In order to meet a broad range of operational demands, Hitachi offers a line of rigid dump trucks with variable load capacity. Depending on the model, these vehicles are capable of towing loads weighing anything from a few tons to over 300 tons. Hitachi rigid dump trucks are outfitted with robust engines that deliver the required torque and horsepower to move large loads successfully. Hitachi dump trucks frequently use cutting-edge technology features for improved performance and reliable operation. This includes monitoring systems for tracking and improving truck performance, along with fuel efficiency measures. Kubota rotary tillers are rugged agricultural tools that break down soil into a fine, manageable texture so it's ready for planting. They are typically made of numerous strong blades or tines organized in a rotating drum or rotor. Many versions include adjustable tilling depths, giving farmers choice over the extent to which the tiller works the soil. Because of their efficient design, these tillers help reduce preparation time and labor. Land Pride flail mowers are tough tools for cutting, shredding, and mowing plants, making them excellent for managing fields, pastures, and orchards. Because of their versatility, these mowers can cut through a variety of vegetation, such as light brush, weeds, and grass. To survive harsh circumstances and heavy use, they are frequently incorporated with heavy-duty steel components. They are ideal both for fine trimming and more challenging mowing duties. The Class Quadrant 5300 Evolution is an advanced baler aimed at precisely baling hay, straw, and other feed materials. Claas has a reputation for building sturdy machinery, and the Quadrant 5300 Evolution is no exception. It is designed to endure harsh field conditions and frequent use. Due to the ability for handling big volumes of material, commercial farming enterprises can benefit from using it. In order to simplify processes, automation elements like automatic knotting systems and bale ejection mechanisms are frequently incorporated in this machinery. When it comes to spreading material uniformly over fields, Kuhn-mounted twin-disc spreaders rank among the top spreaders typically seen in agriculture. These spreaders are normally made up of two discs that revolve and spread the material. A more equal distribution and greater spread pattern are made possible by its distinctive design. The precision rate control mechanisms found in these spreaders enable consumers to precisely control the amount of material distributed per unit area. The New Holland Broad Grape Harvester is an advanced machine developed for the effective and complicated harvesting of grapes in vineyards. It is well equipped with innovative technologies to ensure thorough harvesting while protecting the vines. The machine has the ability to selectively harvest grapes, which means it can distinguish between ripe and unripe grapes and collect only the ripe ones. A clean produce is ensured by the harvester's onboard techniques, which clean and sort grapes as they are gathered, discarding leaves and other waste. The productivity and efficiency of the agriculture business have revolutionized due to the significant advances in machinery and technologies. These innovations not only speed farming operations, but also contribute to sustainable practices by reducing resource waste and the environmental impact of agriculture. Stay connected to our channel and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about agricultural breakthroughs.